Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add voiceover in Splice. Splice is a powerful and beginner-friendly video editing app that allows you to trim clips and add music, text, transition, effects, and even record voiceovers directly inside the app. Adding a voiceover is perfect for the narrations, tutorials, and storytelling videos or explaining what's happening in your clip. So now let's get started. First, you need to open your Splice app. If you do not have it yet, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well and launch to your Splice app. And over here, you need to tap on any of the draft, or you can also select the new project, as I'm going to select any of the draft from here. And at the bottom of the toolbar, you can find this audio just beside the text. Tap on the audio. So over here, select to this voice here. So over here, you'll find this voice icon in the bottom. So over here, and it will automatically start recording on the screen. You can move the play here to the exact spot where you want your voiceover to start with. And after that, after recording, you can play it back. If you're not satisfied, you can simply do it again with the same process. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.